Christmas, good news, blessings, testimonies. Oh, they follow, you they go. This year, blessings, giant testimonies. Oh, they follow.
Hey there, future work from home enthusiasts. Today I'm going to spill the beans on 10 of the most lucrative work from home opportunities that not only pay the bills, but can pave the way for a flourishing career right from the comfort of your home. And guess what? Even if you're in Jamaica like I am and think you lack experience, worry not. I've got some secrets to share on how to dive into these fields with little to no prior experience. So be sure to tune in until the end. First up on our list is the virtual assistant gig. Picture this: handling emails, scheduling appointments, and managing simple tasks, all from the cozy corners of your home. Now, to kickstart your journey as a virtual assistant in Jamaica or anywhere in the world, if you ask me, explore online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, good old LinkedIn, or even local job boards. If you're a good listener and a fast typist, transcription might be your calling. Yes, transcription. Websites like rev.com, GoTranscript, and Transcribe Me offer opportunities for transcriptionists. And yes, they're open to international applicants, including us Jamaicans. So sign up, take a few transcription tests, and showcase your language prowess to start earning from home. Now, this is one of my favorite, or one of my babies, because I started out in this field. Customer service roles, they are booming. And companies worldwide are open to hiring remote representatives more now than ever, and also managers. So look for positions on websites like remote.co, FlexJobs, Remote Caribbean Work. We work remotely as well, and also caribbeanjobs.com, just to name a few. And ensure to emphasize your communication skills and problem solving abilities during your application processes. All right. Now, if you ever dreamed of sharing your thoughts with the world, blogging might be your golden ticket. Platforms like WordPress or Blogger make it easy to start your blog, and you can monetize it through ads from Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. So Jamaican vibes and stories could give your blog a unique edge, attracting a global audience. So that's definitely something to think about. Now, data entry might seem basic, but it plays a crucial role in many industries. Websites like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanical Turk often have data entry tasks available. So you can prove, your accuracy and speed, and you could find yourself with a steady stream of data entry gigs right from Jamaica. If you have a knack for design like my big brother doing, consider print on demand. Platforms like Printful, Etsy, or Printify allow you to create and sell custom products without dealing with inventory. Whether it's t-shirts with a Jamaican twist or unique designs inspired by the island, the possibilities are endless. Now, if you're tech savvy, diving into web development could be your ticket to a lucrative work from home career, because trust me, IT and web designers are in high demand. Platforms like Codecademy, Free Code Camp are free resources that could get you started. Showcase your skills on your portfolio, and you might find yourself, landing remote web development projects. Now that will make some bank. This is something I've been messing around with recently: affiliate marketing. It's all about promoting other people's product and earning a commission. So I'd suggest that you sign up for affiliate programs related to your interests, and then you can create content around them. Whether you're recommending, the best makeup products, or just sharing your favorite, work from home hacks or essentials, affiliate marketing can turn your passion into profit. Now, another work from home opportunity that is big is, especially for the creative minds out there, selling low content books on Amazon. It's a hidden gem, trust me. Think journals, planners, puzzles, or coloring books. Platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, make it easy to self-publish, and with a touch of, Jamaican inspiration, your creations could stand out in the global market. Now, last but by no means least, if you have an eye for graphic designing, you can become a freelance graphic designer. Websites like 99 Designs or Dribble can connect you with the clients seeking your skills. So showcase your portfolio, to emphasize your unique style, and watch the remote graphic design world or projects, roll in. Now, for the big question, which I believe most persons stick around for: how can you snag these gigs with minimal experience? First things first, hone in on your skills. So you can use online courses, YouTube tutorials, and practice. This can work wonders. Next, craft a killer resume and cover letter that highlight, your relevant skills and eagerness to learn. Because remember, if we're just starting out, we want to show them that we're still ready. You already spend an unhealthy amount of time online.
It's 2:00 in the morning.
Yes, I see you. So why not use it to your benefit? Network like there's no tomorrow. So join online communities, attend the webinars. There's a lot of free webinars out there, and connect with professionals in your desired field. Lastly, be persistent and proactive. Apply, learn, adapt, and repeat. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So dive in, give it your all, and watch those work from home opportunities unfold right before your eyes.
See, this month, good news, blessings, testimonies. Oh, they follow.
Your journey to a lucrative remote career starts now. Yes, now. So whether you're into virtual assistants, blogging, or graphic design, there's a remote job waiting for you. Embrace the freedom of working from home. Add a splash of your culture flair to your endeavors, and watch your dream job fall right at your foot. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a more detailed video on any of these remote opportunities. All links mentioned in this video are in the description box below. So feel free to go there and check things out. Bye.